So we're here with Hamza Bhatti, and first of all, sir, initial impressions about the event, BYD as a company, and the car itself.
I think the first impression about the light show that they put on, I mean, I really got started from there. I think they've done an amazing job. The launch has been pretty crazy. They've brought in something absolutely, which obviously changed the dynamic of the first one. Obviously, it brings in the plug-in hybrid, but also changes the dynamic of the Dala market.
Exactly.
Because you can tell that the car has futuristic features. It does 0 to 100 in 5.7 seconds. It has a 800 kilometer range, and it just shows the kind of innovation that has been put in, and it also allows, obviously, it makes the competition think a bit, but now there's a competitor who's
These are the kind of products that pushes other companies to
100%.
Acha, overall look कैसा लगा गाड़ी का?
I absolutely love the look because it has a very bold kind of a look. The headlights, it just show that somebody has really entered the chart. And I think it's a huge vehicle as well, and the fact that it is able to put that kind of torque and has that kind of speed, absolutely.
And last question, what do you think about the price? It is worth it. Is it worth it for?
I think, and I had this chat with multiple people. The fact is, yes. Once you, there are so many features that nobody else in the market has. So obviously, it does come into the very luxury premium category. So I mean, honestly speaking, luxury is always going to be expensive, and luxury. But once again, I believe it is in a range where it still should compete with the in the pickup truck market.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Nice talking to you.